And you know what? I said to Anthony, you know what? We need to make some Swedish meatballs, but because we can't tolerate sour cream, we're not going to put sour cream. Okay? So we're going to make a sauce to go with Swedish meatballs, but instead of going to IKEA, you know what? That could be a good choice or a bad choice, but here's the thing. I'm going to do it with a 6-ounce box of this stuffing mix, okay? So I'm using ground turkey and not ground beef. You use whatever you like, okay? So ground turkey, a turkey stuffing, 6-ounce, a couple of eggs, and half a good-sized onion like this. Half of that is what I'm going to use. Then I'm going to mix this all together. I'm going to make meatballs in the air fryer. Here's our air fryer pan. And I'm going to make that, and then I'm going to assemble a sauce and make it with some beef bouillon, okay? And then beef broth bouillon, okay? And then I'm going to thicken that up, use a little half and half, or you can use a little cream. I'm going to use a little half and half, thicken it just a little bit. And that way you can make a lighter version of Swedish meatballs, and you won't have to go to IKEA. You can do it right in your own kitchen, and you can make your family happy. Serve it over some noodles, serve it over some rice, serve it however you'd like to serve it. And this is a simple, easy way to make Swedish meatballs the Carpizzo way. And remember, here at Carpizzo's we cook, eat, and enjoy. And also, we encourage everyone to eat healthy and use herbs. They're like medicinal savers, little lightsabers for your stomach, for your skin. Herbs are great. And remember, we love you all, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. So this is Peter Carpizzo's. We'll see you down the line making some shorts, showing you how to put it together. This is Peter Carpizzo's, as always, out.